Hello everyone, my name is Jennifer Ochoa Furman. In week number 2, we learn about the structure and parts of the cell. Cells are the first level of life in the hierarchy of the body organization. There are several components to every cell. Number 1, the cell membrane. Number 2, the cytoskeleton. And number 3, the cytoplasma. The cytoskeleton is the network that provides internal support of proteins. The cytoplasma is everything inside the cell. However, the cytoplasma is divided into elements, cytosol and organelles. The cytosol is everything that floats, and it's the fluid inside the cell. It is also referred as an intracellular fluid. In this project, the fluid is represented with hair gel. So I'd use hair gel to represent the fluid of the cell. We also have the nucleus. So the pink ball is the nucleus. The nucleus is the control center of the cell. It is typically large and is located in the center of the cell. It contains DNA. The nucleus is surrounded by a bilayer membrane called the nuclear envelope. So the purple line that you see here, it's Play-Doh. So this represents the nuclear envelope of the nucleus. The nucleus also contains the nucleolitis. This purple ball here represents the nucleolitis, which produce other organelles called ribosome. The endoplasmic reticulum, ER, of a cell consists of an extensive channel, also known as a cisterna. There are two types of ER. We have the rough ER and we also have the smooth ER. Rough ER is continuous with the nuclear envelope and it also contains ribosomes. So if you can see, from the nuclear envelope, I kind of made a connection here because it's continuous with the rough ER. The ribosomes are small organelles that are produced by the nucleolitis, by the nucleus. So this yellow dots here represents the ribosomes. And these are in charge of reading genetic information. The smooth ER is continuous with the rough ER. But this one here does not contain ribosomes. Smooth ER, so this one right here, the blue dots, helps with detoxifying the cytoplasma. We also have the Golgi complex. So this one right here. And the Golgi complex is made of a collection of flat sacs called cisterna. The Golgi complex puts final touches on peptide and synthesizing proteins and carbohydrates. Finished proteins are packed into Golgi vessels. So these blue here are gonna represent the finished proteins. And these Golgi vessels are then transported within the cytoplasma. Then we also have lysosomes. These are specialized, these ones right here are represented from the lysosomes. These are specialized type of Golgi vessel that travels around the cell and breaks down organelles and particles. They are small pockets or bubble-like structure. If you can see, these are actually bubbles that I use to represent the lysosomes. So they are small pockets or bubble-like structures and contain digestive enzymes. We also have the mitochondria. These ones right here. And these are oval shapes, organelles that have numerous internal folds. They are also known as cristae. Mitochondria are responsible for synthesizing the ATP using a variety of starting material. Due to their function, mitochondria are often referred as the power of the house of the cell. We also have the centrioles. This one's right here. And these are pair organelles that are arranged in a perpendicular fashion. Each centriole contains numerous microtubules. So these pink one straws that I use are representing the microtubules. Microtubules are proteins that function during cell division. During the cell division, microtubules are responsible for moving, arranging the component within the cytosol to ensure that the cell division happens equally. I also have added the microvilli, so these ones right here. And these are small projections that increase in the surface area of the cell. An example of their function is the absorption of nutrients that they do. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoy.